any surf carnival, and one of the most traditional events that still exists today. The drum beat rolls, the band strikes up, and a high-pitched voice issues a command. The synchronized swing of arms and the sound of thudding feet stirs something within us. Besides being spectacular, there is something remarkably inspiring about a march past is a sense of dignity and pride the cadets bring to it. We are extremely glad to introduce the four distinctive houses, namely Gandhi, Nehru, Subhash and Tagore. The honor of salute will be received by the distinguished guest. Our cadets demonstrate the heel march by digging their heel to the ground, with the toes pointed upwards and arms swinging rhythmically. Each house is represented by a captain. really a feast to eyes and ears. Thank you, sir. I kindly request the guest of the day, Dr. Gerald, Department of Physical Education, Mangalore University, to hoist the school flag and to receive the honor of salute from the cadets of 4 houses.
Attention! Flag salute! Salute! Order! Stand at ease!
The dignitaries to the dais.
ಸುದೇವಾ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಇಂದಿನ ಎಮ್ಮಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕರುಣಿಸುದೇವಾ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಇಂದಿನ ಎಮ್ಮಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ನುಡಿಗಳ ಮಂಜುಳನಾದ ನಿನ್ನಯ ನುಡಿಗಳ ಮಂಜುಳನಾದ ದಾರಿಯ ತೋರಲಿ ಎಮ್ಮಯ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ದಾರಿಯ ತೋರಲಿ ಎಮ್ಮಯ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಕರುಣಿಸು ದೇವಾ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಇಂದಿನ ಎಮ್ಮಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕರುಣಿಸು ದೇವಾ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಇಂದಿನ ಎಮ್ಮಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮನ ಮಂದಿರ ನಿನದಾಗಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನ ಪೂಜೆ ತವ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನ ಮಂದಿರ ನಿನದಾಗಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನ ಪೂಜೆ ತವ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಸಿರು ಉಸಿರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಕೊಡಲ ಕಣ ಕಣ ನಿನ್ನ ರೂಪವೇ ಉಸಿರು ಉಸಿರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಕೊಡಲ ಕಣ ಕಣ ನಿನ್ನ ರೂಪವೇ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಪ್ರತಿ ನುಡಿಯು ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂಜಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಪ್ರತಿ ನುಡಿಯು ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂಜಲಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಕರುಣಿಸು ದೇವಾ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಇಂದಿನ ಎಮ್ಮಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕರುಣಿಸು ದೇವಾ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಇಂದಿನ ಎಮ್ಮಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ.
To look around. Flags are flying and we all are waiting for sports events. We desire to extend a gracious and inclusive welcome to all of you. I request Mrs. Shobhavati, Headmistress, Vishwamangala Higher Primary School, to welcome the gathering.
Good morning to all. Respected dignitaries on the dais, members of Executive Committee, members of Parent Teachers Association, staff, teaching and non-teaching, and dear students. I take this privilege of welcoming the chief guest of today's function, Dr. Gerald D'Souza, Chairman and Deputy Director, Department of Physical Education, Mangalore University. I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. And I request Professor Vinay Rajat, sir, to give him a floral welcome. Thank you, sir. Department of Sociology, Mangalore University, and the Secretary of Vishwamangala Education Society. I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir, and I request Mr. Praveen Kumar, President of Parent Teachers Association, to welcome him florally. Also welcome Shri Praveen Kumar, President of Parent Teachers Association, and I request Srimati Priya, Headmistress of High School, to give him a floral welcome. Thank you, Priya. A warm welcome to the Principal of PU College, Mrs. Purnima Shetty, Headmistress of High School, Mrs. Priya, and Headmistress of Pre-Primary School, Mrs. Hamsagita, and I request our senior teacher, Mrs. Vanita, to welcome them florally. Of Executive Committee, members of Parent Teachers Association, staff, teaching and non-teaching, parents, students, and all those who have gathered here to mark the program. Thank you.
Extend heartily welcome you to ma'am. May I request Mrs. Vanita teacher to offer a floral welcome to ma'am. Humanity, spirituality, knowledge, and abundance of health and wealth. A lamp does not speak, it manifests through its light. Let's seek the divine presence. May I now request the distinguished guest of the day, Dr. Gerald D'Souza, to light the lamp as we inaugurate annual sports meet. Every newborn soul on this earth is empty, in the preparation of earning the lamp oil to fill into their bowl. Each one is blessed with their days of succeeding their weeks to dip into the oil and keep them ready to receive the light. Now it's a time to witness lighting of Krida Jyoti, which presents the endeavor for protection and struggle for victory. I take immense pleasure in requesting the distinguished guest to take from the fire of peace to light the Krida Jyoti by our athlete hands and to declare the sports meet open. Thank you, sir. The flame of peace and harmony is now lit in our campus, and may this light glow to remove darkness in the lives of all to brighten up our future. Oath will encourage the fidelity to the extent that continues to believe that one cannot escape ultimate accountability for a breach of faith. Now it's time to show our commitment and determination by swearing into oath. The oath will be administered by Master Aditya.
We swear that we will take part in our school inter-house athletic championship in loyal competition, respecting the rules and regulations which govern them and desire to participate in them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our school and the glory of sports. Order.
have Dr. Gerald D'Souza as the guest. My sincere request him to address the gathering.
Good morning to all of you present here. The Secretary of Vishwamangala Education Society, Professor Vinay Rajat, the Treasurer, Dr. Parameshwar, Mr. Praveen, the President of Parent Association, and all the heads of all the institutions of Vishwamangala Education Trust, Srimati Shobhavati, Srimati Purnima Shetty, Srimati Hamsagita and Srimati Priya, and all the staff members, and most importantly, my dear students. I know this is the least awaited event, that is the chief guest speech, because you're all already in the hot sun and you look forward to participate. Anyway, I'll take only a few minutes. You know, Sports Day is one of the most awaited and the most eagerly awaited event in any of the educational institution. A student may not play for all the 364 days, but on the one day, that is the sports day, he looks forward to participate, he looks forward to get accolades from his teammates, and you have got 4 houses, and I know you are awaiting which house will get the team championship. If I ask you today, how many of you really participate in sports or physical activities? How many can really put up your hands and say, yes sir, we are participating? How many of you? Not today, I'm not telling only today, I'm telling as a practice, as a habit. Very good. Most of the schools we see hardly 10% students normally participate. And though there are 1,000, 2,000 students, only those 50, 100 students participate in all the games, all the inter-school, there are around 20, 30 events. See, if we allow you one free period, where will you go? You will go to the sports field, right? Even I remember my childhood days, my school days. When any teacher was absent, we used to run to the school playground, telling it is PT class, right? Because that is the natural activity of a child, of a student, that is to play. And of course, this sports day and these games, we have strict rules and regulations. But simply playing for the fun of it is very, very important. Because you not only get fun, you enjoy, but also you develop yourself. Because movement is the essence of life. Movement activity. So I just wish that not only today, you participate throughout the year, maybe a few days for exams, preparation for exams. And one wrong thing that people will believe is that if you play, if you participate, it will affect your exams. I have seen many instances where those who are very excellent in sports, they have got ranks and they have got distinction, and those who do not participate in anything, forget about sports, in any co-curricular activity, there have been failures also in academics. So I don't think there is a correlation between sports and physical activity and academic achievements. Of course, if you don't study, definitely there's a correlation between your success in academics. But you have to study at the same time, you have to participate, because that is what will keep you in good health, right? Recently I read somewhere that in the 20s, how you spend your life in the 20s will affect what will happen to you in your 40s, because that is where the foundation starts. Foundation of good habits, good and physical activity is one such instance of good habit. Right. Okay, so with these few words, I wish you all the best. I know all of you, maybe some of the events have already finished heats, maybe only the finals you are running today. But I wish all those people who have entered the finals all the best. Let the best person win. But don't worry, winning and losing is part and parcel of your experience. I always say losing is an experience, even winning is an experience. You don't get any kind of a crown. Maybe you will be happy that you have won, but don't that you lose, because you still have the opportunity to win next time. And if not win, at least you win against yourself. You do your best. Okay, I was running this much, I was jumping this much, but today I have done better than that. That is what sports is all about, especially in educational institutions. So Vishwamangala Education School is a very renowned and very old school in our campus. They are part of our university, and me being Director of Physical Education, we got so many facilities. We also told the physical directors before also, you can always use the facilities of Mangalore University. those children, those students who are good in sports, please come to our university. We have got a BPed, MPed course with the students who can tell you, who can guide you, or as well as our faculty. So I request all of you to make use of all the facilities in our university, and I thank you all for inviting me over here to speak a few words with you and spend a few moments with you. With these few words, I take pleasure in declaring open the annual athletic meet of Vishwamangala High School as well as PU College. Thank you one and all.
May I request Professor Vinay Rajat, Secretary, Vishwamangala Education Society, to deliver the presidential remarks.
Respected dignitaries on the days, Dr. Gerald, our chief guest, heads of the institutions, the President of Parents Teachers Association, Vishwamangala Management Committee members, PTA members, parents, teachers, and my dear friends, students. Good morning, you all. Good morning, students. Yes, it's a very warm day, hot, scorching sun. So excuse me, I won't keep you long. There's just one message for you. We have many talents. Many of us are good in studies, scoring high marks, and our school and college always get the ranks. Some of us are good in dancing, and we come over the stage for the school day for dance. Some are good in singing, and they perform very well in singing. Yet there are many who are good in groundworks, sports and games. If all academics and other items have exams and competition, and today is the exam for other activities on the grounds, not many of you will be participating in the ground exercise today. Heats are over, athletics are there and some items. But I request all the students to remain here and support your good friends. All of you have participated in a beautiful march past. Congratulations to you. A very good get up this morning. And the same spirit you keep up, remain here, support your friends and make this day a grand success. Thank you very much. Wish you good luck.
Encouraging us with your motivational words. Develop an attitude of gratitude and be thankful for everything that happens to you, knowing that every step forward is a step towards achievement. To render vote of thanks, I request Mrs. Vanita, Assistant Teacher of Vishwamangala High School, to the mic.
ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಅಂತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಣಲೇಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಮಂಗಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಕ್ರೀಡೋತ್ಸವದ ಸಭಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಬಹಳ ಸುಸೂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ನೆರವೇರಿತು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಡೀನ್, ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜೆರಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸೋಜ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಮಂಗಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದ ಸಲಹೆ ಸೂಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಸಹಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಇಂದಿನ ಸಭೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಮಂಗಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ವಿನಯ ರಜತ್ ಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ರೂಪುರೇಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಿ ಸಕ್ರಿಯವಾಗಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಮಂಗಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ 4 ಅಂಗಗಳ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥೆಯರಾದ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಡಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆಯ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಎನ್, ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶೋಭಾವತಿ, ಪೂರ್ವ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಹಂಸಗೀತಾ, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾಗಿರುವ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಶಾಲೆಯ ಒಂದು ಅಂಗವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಮನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಬಹಳ ದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ತರಬೇತುಗೊಳಿಸಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರುಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ್ ಸರ್, ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ರೈ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯಕರಾಗಿದ್ದ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುಷ್ಪರಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಈ ದಿನದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆರುಗನ್ನು ನೀಡಿರುವ ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದುಗಳಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರು, ಶಾಮಿಯಾನದವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಚಂದಗಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮನದಾಳದ ನಮನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Coming to reality, it takes an awful lot of determination, dedication, self-discipline and effort. An athlete cannot run with money in his pocket. He must run with hope in his heart and dreams in his mind. Now, let us get ready for the most awaited track events. Wishing all my friends good luck. I am Mariam Shifa of First Science signing off. Thank you very much one and all for the